I told us that one of the problem of Igbo people are Igbos. We are just our own problem in every ramification, in politics, in religion, in freedom movement, everywhere you can think of. We are always our own problem. That this one man called Sada or whatever he called himself, so somebody Ugu, claimed to be that he claimed that he's imam in Abuja, Imam man, that he's a non-Islam is the best way to way of life. From his own dialect, I believe he's from Nsukka. There's no two ways about it. And another woman claiming that she's an Igbo woman, of course. These two individuals are pushing Islamic religion to our people with every strength they think they have. Going underground, trying to buy people over, sharing money. It is obvious that Fulani must have, donate a lot of money for him to use it and convince our people because they believe that Igbos is all about money, 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 money. So upon everything that our people need, the only thing this man think that he that he can bring to our people, he want to bless our people with Islam. I'm not here to tell you that we have any special hatred on Islam, but you are doing it for yourself. Don't bring it to our people like trying to force our people to become a Muslim. Let us manage the one you have. We have traditional way of life, traditional worshippers, and we have Christian religion, and we have Judaism. Let us manage this one. Don't bring another one. Don't bring Hindus, Buddhism, Islamic religion. Don't bring it. Keep it for yourself. We are still human beings, right? We are still brothers and sisters from afar. Stay in your region, I stay in my region. But in Igbo man, like you can see him, what they normally do is to bring somebody that something that you hated so much, they will pretend that they're your brother, and the enemy will use these people to penetrate our people, knowing fully well that our people are so much they will have so much interest in when money is involved. We always have time to try to compromise as long as money is involved. And that is why he's busy now doing all manner of nonsense, thinking that he has something to offer. But guess what? All this thing it doesn't have anything, it doesn't add any value to our people. But time will tell. Anybody that knows this man or that know anybody that know him should advise him. Igbo people is not the kind of people that you will bring your shenanigan to. Now listen to this, watch it and tell me what you think about it.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ekeneni na dini Chineke. Chukwu onye ebere, Chukwu onye ngọzi, Chukwu onye amara. Chineke anwa bụ chi eze ka ọha. Chineke anwa bụ chi kere nukera na kere ihe niile. Udo na ngọzi nke Chineke dị n'onye isi anyị, onye ozi anyị Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Udo dị ndị azụ ya. Udo dị ndị ezinụlọ ya. Udo dị n'unu ụmụnne m ndị nke Chineke. Babun fi sujudi qabla salam. Ụzọ na dịkwado akọwa n'anyị ihe eji eme ka mmadụ kwuo isi n'ala ugboro ebo tupu na ọ bụ ememe salamu alaikum site na salat. Ọsanyị wa amma sujud qabli okuku isi n'ala ugboro ebo tupu n'ime assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi na salat for sab'atun od esa nyabu na udige esa bobo imeme nyabihe ne imebiri salat n'ije meki medumene bụ ikwu isi n'ala ugboro ebo mgbe n'igichara ya tupu n'isi assalamu alaikum.
So you heard him very well, right? That is what he want to teach you. The only thing he want to bring to people is this. People need to wake up and stop this nonsense, committing nuisance. Okay? You need to say it the way it is, because I don't want to paint the word, I don't want to rub it any cream. We have a lot of things going on in our land, and this is the only thing that some people believe, that money is everything. What? Tell me what this man is looking for in the Islamic religion. What is it exactly that he wants? He keep on pretending. Some of you may say, oh, he's not an Igbo. He's an Igbo person. From Osoka, you can hear his dialect. Very, very, very clear. And there's another woman that that is just like him, claiming the same thing that they want to bring Islam to you. They want to teach you Islam is a peaceful religion and all that. I don't know how peaceful Islam is. I don't know, because is it not the same thing that we already know? We know about them. We know what they're used to. We know how peaceful northern part of Nigeria is now. Now, I want you to listen to the woman that I talked about. Very, very important.
Lakum dinukum. Na tata na Chineke mezugo okperechi ala Islam, Chineke mezugo ya. Wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati. Chineke mezugo ihe ọma ya niile n'ebe ndị nwere okwukwe nọ. Wa raditu lakum al-Islam dina. Chineke ekwetego n'unu nabata sign akwụọ ya stamp na Islam bụ sọsọ ya nwa bụ okperechi nke Chineke ga-anabata mana ụwa ma mgbochi ikpeazụ. Nwanne m nwoke, nwanne m nwaanyị, ka ihe na-eme, ka ihe na-egbu gị oge, bịa soro okpukperechi ala Islam ka Chineke wee nye gị ngọzi na amara na mgbaghara, maka na Chineke bụ onye ngọzi, onye amara, onye udo oge niile. Ebe imam na-adọkwa ya.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Imam. Dalo chukwu gozie gị. Like Imam anyị kwuru si na no Islam ka Chineke dewe n'ụwa. And mgbe back if ọ na-ekwu up na oge Jesus Christ nọ n'ụwa, that man of Nazareth nọ n'ụwa, o nweghị anything dịka Christianity anụnwa anyị na-ekwu okwu anyị na-eji makụzi ya kwuo ndị colonial master wetara anyị. I want to make a research, go, search and look into history. I would alanya, and that Christianity would have alanya funanya, would have alanya made for one day nanya, Mamma for one day nanya. That Christianity would alanya okocho, what alanya to coach. In Anya Funina do Guana, if I do well love within themselves. They had nature don't because of now if a religion how hana happy to romano make butelha no butelha more one if one nanya because even a teacher anya for one nanya because of religion religion also call is duranyima so ka yesibu ndi ilu anyị bụ ndị enemy father house, enemy mother house. Anama Islam kita, I will Muslim kita because I have noticed no way fetish. I have found no way fetish and this time can Quran, so Quran can go. I want to go Quran, if it in a Quran, no one so if it in a Quran. I am so one in I know me. Imam, thank you so much, Dalo, for this your man on to
So you have heard it all from the woman that Islam is the best. It's a religion of peace. The same thing, who killed Deborah? Peace. They killed her peacefully, isn't it? Boko Haram represent peaceful movement. ISWAP, peaceful movement. Al-Qaeda, peaceful movement. Fulani herdsmen, peaceful movement. The buying of people in Borno, in Zamfara, in Nasarawa, in Kogi, in Benue, all these things is all peaceful. Nigeria Wayaketa. To this woman is peaceful. Everything is peaceful. Oh, Kunuwefu. Just for you to see, because their mindset is very, very dirty. Very, very, very dirty. Obido be Islam money be do self no okay wena. In a photo say Akiana. All this thing that she's saying here is to tell you that Islam is peaceful, that this, that. I keep on saying this. People who don't know anything about particular something, but they always want to talk about this. They always want to lecture on issue that they don't know anything. That is insanity. But I don't want to go through the mayhem that those practicing the same Islam that she's talking about have actually introduced to the fellow humanity, or fellow human being, or to the humanity rather, in not only Nigeria, in every or many other places. In Yemen is peaceful today because of religion. I trust Igbo people, of course. And this one is it was not gonna last, but I will not underestimate it, because it's a matter of time. As long as they know the weakness, weak point of Igbo man is money. They use money to stop agitation by selling leaders of the movement. They use money to stop Wazirike by using their Andoba. They use money to stop Mazin American using few Igbo politicians. The same money, they use it, and they're still using it now. And some political position like the one they offered the Bianco to stop PM. The list go on and on. Everybody in their own little way are potential saboteur. And that is why we are saying what we are saying. So anywhere you see this kind of thing, please and please do your best to stop it. Because once they start from one place, it will escalate. Crazy. And you can't stop it until it penetrates beyond control. That is why everything, they know that the Igbos have a lot of challenges. Our mind and the division in our midst is alarming. Some of us want one Nigeria. Why they're using one Nigerian flag? Why they flash using that to deceive you? Why you focus on that? They are eating you up in every aspect. In 90s, you don't see something like this. Today, you are not seeing it. Today, you are not having people talking about Islam as an Igbo. Before, you don't have it. And they said it's a beautiful religion. What happened to Muslims that convert to Christian? For example, watch this, so you understand what I'm talking about.
Medical PhD, energy economics. Okay. Yeah. Why are you here? I decided I became a Christian because I spent 16 years in the UK. I married there. So I got back to Nigeria to come and settle with my family. And the extended family came and told these people that I became a Christian. I converted. I'm trying to convert my children to Christians. And I just found myself here one morning, about 2 years ago.
About 2 years?
Yeah.
Okay, what has been your experience in 2 years?
Very hectic. Since I was in military school, I've not seen anything like this. I went to military school, so since that experience, I've not seen anything like this. And this is worse because of the age. I'm diabetic, no drugs. They keep you incommunicado. You can't talk to anybody to bring drugs or medicine for your diabetes. So I've just been surviving. These small boys, there are some small boys around that live around here. They're the ones that get us this zogale to chew and soak and drink. That's how I've been surviving with diabetes. The food is just carbohydrates.
So my people, tell me what you think about this, and what do you think is a way forward. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.